Hello, everyone. Did you know that some historical events are more dramatic than movies? Today, we'll explore 5 moments that changed the course of humanity. Let's dive in. 1. The discovery of the Rosetta Stone 1799. In 1799, Napoleon's army uncovered the Rosetta Stone, a key to decoding ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs, with the same text written in 3 scripts. This stone unlocked secrets of the pyramids and pharaohs. Without it, much of ancient Egypt's story might still be a mystery. 2. The Industrial Revolution 17,601,840s. Factories, steam engines, and railroads. The Industrial Revolution transformed human life. James Watt's steam engine enabled mass production and revolutionized transportation. Fun fact: early factory workers, even children, often worked 12-hour days. This pivotal era laid the foundation for today's modern technologies. 3. The discovery of Antarctica 1820. Antarctic landscapes and explorers. In 1820, explorers first sighted Antarctica. This icy continent isn't just beautiful, it holds vital clues about Earth's climate. Today, melting Antarctic ice continues to reveal secrets about past climates and global warming. 4. The discovery of the New World 1492. Columbus's ships and old maps. In 1492, Columbus stumbled upon the Americas while searching for a route to India. This discovery connected the globe, but brought both cultural exchange and conflict. While Europe gained crops like corn and potatoes, indigenous populations faced devastation from diseases and colonization. 5. Apollo 11 moon landing 1969. Footage of Neil Armstrong on the moon. In 1969, Apollo 11 landed humans on the moon. Neil Armstrong's words, "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," marked a historic moment. Fun fact: the spacecraft's computer had less power than today's smartphones. This event ignited the space exploration era. These events changed history and shaped our world. Which story fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating stories. Thank you for watching. Your support means the world to us.